Okay, I'm standing out in front of the Palaisdaan Hotel and Restaurant. I know I butchered the pronunciation of that, but anyways, this is the hotel we're staying at here in Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya. So I'm gonna give you a quick look around the area here. So we're out in front on the road, on the highway here. This whole lot over here is part of the hotel resort. It's actually quite nice. The land that it sits on, I guess it used to be an old rice field. Of course, that's no surprise. Pretty much everything is a rice field around here, as you can see. But you look out there on the horizon there, and the hills are just beautiful. And nice people, of course, riding around on their scooter. A little bit of livestock. The neighborhood cow. So yeah, you gotta walk down this little side road here that skirts around the edge of the resort, and then you enter in through here, I believe. Yep. We've been here a couple days now. Got here on Sunday, and we're here in town until the end of the week. Do a little landscaping, yeah. Hey. Okay, so what we're doing now is walking up towards the restaurant. This is the way towards that area, the restaurant and the check-in counter. And there's all throughout the property, there's all these little gazebos and seating areas. You'll see those a lot here on this property. Oh. Little bathroom right there. And there's little fish ponds all over the place. There's a kitchen back in there. Grilling area. Haven't seen any of that put to use yet since I've been here. Gazebo. Okay, so check-in counter.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, sir? And then more seating area, gazebo type. This here is the whole restaurant area, pretty much. Dining area. I haven't walked over here yet, so let's go see. And the prices are, room rates are pretty reasonable. I think we are paying about 1,500 pesos a night for our room. Yeah, let's walk out this way. And that is not the cheapest room, so you can get them a little bit cheaper, depending on what you're looking for. Yeah, I haven't been over here yet. Looks more like maintenance sheds and stuff, maybe. Parking area. But it's very peaceful. Especially at night. You'll definitely get a peaceful night's rest. You don't hear nothing. Except the air conditioner in your room. That's probably about it. Really big open ballroom area over here. I'll walk around this thing and we'll kind of peek in there here in a second. So, I know they do a lot of special events here. Weddings. Who knows what else. But perfect place to do it. Anyways, yeah, let's take a quick sneak peek at this here. Coming into this. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Big ballroom. Big. Ooh, there's a big old dog too. There's a couple of them. Yeah. Alright, they're tied up. That's cool. There you go. Hire a band. Yeah, bring them in. Alright guys, didn't mean to disturb you. Yeah, good size. Be an awesome place to have a wedding reception. So, okay. Rooms start right about here. Yeah, pretty cool. Come and sit out here and relax. Your rooms are right in there. Nice and shady. It's really hot out today, but I tell you what, down back below here, it's not bad at all. I can definitely deal with this. And then over here, you start getting into the little bit pricier rooms, just for the plain fact that they have their own little private terraces, I guess. There's my room right there. Our room, I mean. Room 6. And I'll show you that in a few minutes. Hopefully it's presentable. We've been here a couple days, so probably haven't made the bed or any of that. So, oh well. Let's see, I don't even know what's up here. My reflection, for one. Just more field over there. Ah, nice breeze. Whew. That feels good. Okay, go back. Another little seating, well, not even a seat. Well, yeah, just a place to kind of hang out, I guess. And your little walkways going down into those areas. Little gazebos again. All right, let's take a look inside. Grab the key. Now, when we got here, we had reserved a single bed room for like, I don't know, 850 pesos a night. Well, for some reason they didn't have that available when we got here, so they upgraded us to this, which is about 1,500 a night. But the only problem is that they gave us 2 single beds, which at the time I was like, yeah, who cares? Let's just take it. So we kind of pushed them together, made do the best we could, and then it's working, you know. You're never gonna get it quite like home, but you do your best. So the room has aircon, it works great. Now a few windows here, nice window here. The terrace, we're not even really going out here. Let me see if I can open it though. Oh goodness, there we go. I got it. We're not even coming out here really, but here it is. Oh, I need to shut that light off. Or matter of fact, I think I just turned it on. But anyways, there's a terrace. You can come out here and sit if you like, if you get this room. And TV with kind of basic cable. Looks like an emergency light. Front door once again. The bathroom is actually pretty big. It's got some shelving space here. And it's really a good sized bathroom. The water pressure is great. And there is warm water. It's a hot water heater up there in the shower. And a really good sized shower. You got your standard bucket and scoop if you like doing that kind of thing. Yep. It's a bathroom and it works. Other than that, it's pretty basic. The only bad thing is my biggest complaint is no Wi-Fi in these rooms. You cannot get Wi-Fi. You got to go up to the restaurant area, sit down at your table, and pull out your laptop there and do all your Wi-Fi stuff. Sorry, all your internet stuff. But some people don't care about that. Me, it's an inconvenience. But again, it's only temporary. So, and the room rates are pretty good to the point where I'm not going to really sit and complain about it. So, alrighty. That's it. That's the hotel we're staying at, and thanks for coming along. I know these videos kind of maybe get a little dry sometimes, but just got to share it with you, and I hope everybody's doing well. And until next time, take care of yourselves, be good to each other, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.